I can see you.
Hey everybody, it's me, Loki, Loki9, and today we are part 4
Yes.
in the weird little, not Happy Home Designer, it's the other one. It is the...
House Flipper!
House Flipper, there you go, Luke, you remind me this time. I keep mixing up the two, Part 4, where we make a bloody cupboard. We're still doing this! I thought it would take a part, but no. I found the pieces, and I found the screws, and I found the thing that go in the screw. So, we're in business. Let's go! I hope you're all
I like how you held up the screwdriver and said I found the screws.
Found the screws! Everything's fine. Okay, so we've got this, there. Bam, done. Knocked it out of the park. Let's go. We've then got to do this here and there. So we've got 2 of these pieces. So let's get this on here. Get you there. Screw you in. Screw you, table. Heck you.
I thought this is a storage cabinet.
It's a bedside table.
Oh. A bamboozled.
Fox, so been done a bamboozle. Been done a bamboozle already. We're not even a minute in.
Yeah. Well, we are on part 4.
Oh no. Yeah, we are on part 4, to be fair. That is in, and then I just have to screw it into place. I just have to screw it into place, and everything will be fine. You go in there. Let's get this screw in so it can actually act as a guide. There we go. I'm actually going to use my foot as something to brace it against. Brace, brace, brace! This is not a drill. It's a
Screwdriver.
That's a terrible joke and I should never make it. Okay, let's get this going in. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Okay, just have to tighten this up. Make it flush with the surface. Make sure I don't eat the drill bit, because if I eat the drill bit, then no nom. Okay, that's the first of the 2 done. Now we have to do the second of the 2. Again, I don't want to put too much pressure on the end here, because if this dowel goes in, then it's game over, man. Game over. So we want to make sure we can actually get this in properly. That is now flush with that, so now I'm going to use my left foot.
Furniture making permadeath.
Yes, oh no! Not furniture making permadeath. That would be too stressful.
But it is though.
I know. It's stressful! Yeah. I've got the hot sun beating on my neck.
Oh no, sun cream?
No.
Salad cream?
Salad cream, no. Lukey and I have been having lots of salads. We've been nomming lots of salads because it's been very sunny in Britain at the time of recording. So.
Yogurts.
Oh, yogurts too.
Ice cubes.
Definitely ice cubes. Definitely ice cubes. There we go. A couple more turns and we should. Good. Make that flush.
Next time we go shopping, we should get some ice creams.
Ice creams. Now you're making me hungry. This was your plan all along.
Yeah.
Then I need to put in the other one. So we've just got to pop on this one. And that will pop right here, I think. Yes. So that pops right there. Nice. And we want to do the same where we put in these 2 pieces. So that piece will go in there. Actually, I want to do the bottom piece first. Screw, come back, please. Hey. Wow.
You're pretty.
You though? No, heck. Bamboozled. I've been bamboozled. Okay, I need to get this screwed in first, so let's see. Wrong way. Right way. Yay. Okay. We need that to be flush, so that has to be like that. And that's got to be there, so we can put that in there. Again, just trying to get it so that it's nice. Nice and solid, so we've got that going in. There we go, I got it done.
You did it.
Did it. With great difficulty. and sacrificed my mental well-being. No, it's fine.
Mhm.
Honestly, I joke about these things.
Yeah.
But seriously, it's not that bad. There are worse things going on in the world. But I will not get to it, because this is not a political thing. We're not building a cabinet and getting political. We're building a cabinet and we're having fun, damn it. There's a time and a place, and building a cabinet is not a place. So I shall shut my yapper.
Yeah.
Check out our Twitter.
Yes.
Check out our Twitter if you want us to see how angry we get about things. And my one-shot opinions, which I may repost. Maybe repost the one-shot opinions, because I get heckin' angry and sweary, and you know I don't like getting sweary.
Check out my favourite video.
Yeah. Smart Walter is not smart. We've been over this. Oh, heck. That's an old video, though.
It's the best video.
No. Luffy just likes seeing me do a flap like this. That's what Luffy likes to
And
see.
the smart water bottle gets slung everywhere.
It deserved it. It had it coming. There we go. There we are. And that is that bit done. So that is parts 4 and 5. Parts 4 and 5. Part number 6. More dowels. So.
Oh no.
More dowels. That one. With this. So let's move this out of the way. I'm just going to ram the dowels back in. Ram it.
Ram it.
Ram it.
Ram it, damn it. Ooh.
Ram it. Gently does tight.
It looks like there's a part over there by the toolbox that's been pre-doweled.
It has. Those are the pre-doweled bits, you're correct, Foxy.
Here's one I doweled earlier.
Here's one. 90s art attack. It was 90s, wasn't it?
I think
Art
so.
attack. Oh god, I feel old.
90s, early noughties.
I feel old. I'm sure there's actually people watching this that haven't even heard of Art Attack, and that's terrifying to me.
There was a lot of art programs on at the time, wasn't there? There was Art Attack. There was Smart.
Yes. Oh, I forgot about Smart. That's like a little morph friend, isn't it?
I think
Like
so.
Little clay called Morph.
Yes.
Anyway, part 6 done while we ramble about TV stuff. And then we have to put that on there. So let's grab you. Chuck you.
And Wolf had a friend called Chaz.
He did. That is correct. Yeah.
I can hear
Pigeon. Cool.
it's going.
All done. There we go. So that's that little bit done. We've then got, have you seen number 8? Step 8 right there. Okay, step 8. Part number 1. Let's do this. Oh, that's too bad. Yay, we did it right. Okay. So I'm gonna do a tappy tap. Yes. Okay, I got bamboozled there for a second. We're gonna do a tappy tap, tap it all in first. Okay.
Grr, 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 grr.
Get in. Yeah! I win!
You did it.
The pen is mightier than the sword.
Yes.
Unless there's a big heckin' knot, then you need a sword.
They're talking of art programs. I'll tell you what isn't smart.
What's that?
Smart water.
Making me do a girl. Making me do a girl. Okay, let's screw these in. These are the last few bits we need to screw in, and then we're actually getting somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it, but we're getting somewhere. It's gorgeous.
Like you.
No. Lies and slander. Lies and slander. Did I put that on the wrong way?
No, it's fine.
No, I did not. Basso succeeds. do a whirly bird.
Go round and around and around and around and around and around.
Dizzy.
Around and around and around.
Gonna make me dizzy,
And
folks.
around and around and around and around. You know what would be smart?
What's that?
Calling this a part.
Yes. I am just gonna screw all these because you just saw me with screw one. I'm gonna screw the rest, and then we shall go to the part because Foxo is the part master, and what they say goes. So, unfortunately, it does indeed come to that shill bit of this pipe. If you did enjoy it, hit that follow button, and if you massively enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. If not, perfectly fine as well. Those sorts of things can go and screw the rest of these because screw this, screw it to hell. But yes, thank you so much for watching our videos, live streams, mods. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and indeed, a good night.
And I'll flip you.